We need to press a restart button on 2020, okay? It's not happening. We're not letting this go down like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Yancy and this is the Miss Yancy Network, because your network is what? Your network. This is a place for all entrepreneurs, naturalistas, and anyone ready to improve their lifestyle by building generational wealth. All right guys, today we're talking about how 2020 is canceled. We're talking about how we're restarting 2020. You know what? Look, let's press a button on that. Let's press the reset button on 2020. Okay, how about that? Anyway, back to it, guys. So pretty much today I am actually going to be doing a full vision board. I did not do one in the beginning of the year, and you know what? I guess it was really good that I didn't do one, because clearly 2020 had to be restarted. I mean, like, damn, Kobe Bryant died. Like, I mean, just crazy stuff just, been happening. And honestly, I just wanted to, take a step back and say, you know what? I need to do a vision board for the rest of the year, because I'm not about to allow, everything that's been going on to determine how my 2020 is going to end. The vision board that I'll be doing today, I got that idea from a YouTuber called Erin On Demand. She is super dope, and pretty much the style of my vision board, I got that idea from her. So if you guys want to go check her out, go ahead. I might put her link below so you can build your vision board for the rest of the year and restart your 2020. Because if you're like me and stuck in the house, we need to press a restart button on 2020, okay? It's not happening. We're not letting this go down like this. I'll list all of the things that you'll need to create this vision board that I am creating. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Hopefully this will inspire you or encourage you to create your own vision board to restart 2020, because 2020 is canceled. Matter of fact, you know what? I should just call this 2021 vision board, but I'm not gonna do that, because I'm going to restart 2020. Okay? All right, guys, let's get this started.
Everybody say, yeah. Wow. Everybody say, Ami. They everything we they pray for, Ami. I can't be stuck in the middle, Ami. To every pure desire, Ami. I won't be stuck in the middle. Oh, yeah, or damo. No matter, no paro. No, they fear for compale. I back myself, Kale. We no go corporate. Sticky, Ricardo. Para.
Hey guys, so I'm back. Everything that you saw me use, it was under $20. So super cheap, and it could actually be cheaper if you get it from the dollar stores. Like, I really was just trying to do this to really uplift myself and also uplift others, and just, inspire you to, take control back of your year and not allow the devil to come in and ruin what you already had planned. So I really decided to do this vision board as a, screw you to 2020. You are not going to take my joy away from me. I am highly favored, and I wanted to remind myself that I am highly favored, I am blessed, and that I should not allow, all of the things that's happening right now that's affecting my business and things like that, or, just affecting us being able to work or being able to socialize with our friends and family. With that being said, let's take a look at my vision board, and I could tell you a little bit about each of them. All right, so the theme of my vision board is focus. So one of the things that I've learned about, creating a vision board is finding a word that defines what your year should be about, or what you want your year to be about. That is the theme of your year. Let that word be the word that you manifest upon your life, upon your year. Because last year my word was execution, and it's like I manifested that into my life, and I was able to start my business. I was able to do a lot of trade shows. I was able to do a lot of the things that I had written on my list. My word for this year is focus. understanding that, you know, with your focus on God, that your vision will be clear. My main focus for this year is really on God, because everything that I do want to accomplish, it is coming from God. There are 4 categories on my vision board, and it is spiritual. One is spiritual, business, personal, and finance. And these 4 things are my focus for this year. Now let's talk about spiritual. I have one of my favorite Bible verse on here, and it is from Ecclesiastes 1, and it says, "For everything there's a season and time, for every purpose under heaven." I learned that Bible verse from my grandmother, and that was something that she always talked about. For everything that happens, you know, in this world, you know, there's a time for it. Overall, God have control of our life. So therefore, if we put our focus on Him, He will make our vision clear. The biggest thing that I can do for myself is just be ready when God is ready to bless me with that time, or bless me with whatever it is that I have been praying about. It's a woman with a quote, walking with a quote saying, "Walk by faith and not by sight." So that's another quote I also want to be reminded of, is basically, you know, walking by faith and not by sight. Just, you know, keep reminding myself, you know, not to lose faith, not to lose hope. And then I have a personal, just, you know, some pictures of my family, of my boyfriend and my baby Aiden, my sweetie. During these time, I've just learned to appreciate my family way more. In the middle of my vision board, I have a picture of myself. So basically what this picture represents is, you know, me being a boss, a reminder of, you know, who I am, and, you know, where I'm trying to be as a professional, as a business owner, you know, as a woman. And then above that, I have gratitude. I just, you know, put that on there just to remind myself, like, regardless of what my circumstances are, regardless of whatever is going on in my life right now, is to always be grateful, because where I am right now, there are a lot of people that don't even have the little that I have. So with MarthaLorine Organics, the things that I am trying to achieve this year are really 3 main goals. And those are the 3 main things that I put on here. Wholesale. And with that, starting wholesale is, you know, giving people the opportunity to be able to be a part of the MarthaLorine Organic brand. And also for people who want to start their own skincare business. I've been getting a lot of emails about people asking me about, you know, whether I do wholesale and things of that sort. So that is something that I want to implement in my business this year. One of my goals this year is to create my first ebook. So what I did was I went on Canva and pretty much, you know, wrote my MSYANCYNETWORK on it, and then I have my logo, my MarthaLorine Organics logo on there, and then I have like a title that says Natural Skin Biz 101, because that is something that I'm trying to create this year. When I first started my business, I really didn't know where to go. There wasn't anyone that was that had any type of courses like that. There wasn't anyone that had, you know, ready vendor lists, especially in the organic market. If you're selling natural product and you want to be authentic, it is really hard to find you know, vendors that truly sell organic products. Those are some of the vendors that will be going into my vendor list if you're interested in starting your own natural skincare business, and those are the things that you want to sell. All of that's going to be in the ebook. I have my MarthaLorine Organics logo on here with a little sticker that says coming soon. This year, one of my goals was to launch a new product, but with what's going on right now, you know, it made it kind of difficult. My goal was really to launch it in spring, and, you know, I had started the whole process, but then with everything that's going on, everything got put on hold. Guess what? I restarted 2020, so therefore it may not come in spring, but you might catch it this fall. Okay, so look out, coming soon, a brand new product. If you want to find out all of that information, make sure you go to MarthaLorine.com and subscribe to our Glow Tribe, and you will be one of the first people to find out when we have all of our sales, all of the new products that's being launched. And when we do, you know, start our wholesale, and you're interested in becoming a wholesaler of MarthaLorine Organic products or starting your own business, go and subscribe to the Glow Tribe, and you'll be one of the first people to get that information. So for finance for me is, you know, is really simple on here. I do not have a long list on here. I'm trying to get rid of debt. I want to be debt free. So if you see I have this little sticker on here that I printed from Google, and it says debt free just ahead. So pretty much it's like it's a street sign, and you know, I'm driving into the debt free zone by the end of this year, going into 2021. I pray and hope that I am debt free. Matter of fact, I will be debt free. I am manifesting it right now. The two main things about my finances is, one, be debt free by the end of the year, and two, get my finances in order. You know, by that being investing, like, you know, what's going on right now, this is the perfect time to invest. So if you have some extra cash, you know, put that into investments. I personally haven't done any type of investment yet. So if you guys have anything, if you guys know anything about really good investment apps or anything like that, you know, leave that in a comment. Let me know what you guys are working on, what investments that you guys have already been doing. Give me some ideas, guys. I want to start investing. And then let's go over to the left. So you see that $100,000. Yes, I am manifesting that I will make $100,000 by the end of this year. That is my manifestation, and I'm sticking to it. I've never made $100,000. It is a huge amount for me. So, you know, who knows, you know, with God, anything is possible. And that is what I'm putting into the, you know, the universe. And you know what, go big or go home, right? So, so yes, I am manifesting $100,000 earned in my business and my personal finances. And then if you look around the board, I have, like, you know, different words that I want to keep, you know, reminding myself about how to achieve all of these goals. And if you see next to focus, I have consistency. Now, if you are not consistent in the things that you need to do to accomplish these goals, they're not going to happen. So I have that on there because I too myself struggle with consistency, and I want to remind myself to continue being consistent, because that is the only way I will be able to achieve these goals. I already told you guys about the gratitude, just remaining grateful with all that is going on, if it's good or bad. Just, you know, reminding myself that, you know, that I have more than enough. So all of you guys that have, you know, supported my business, purchased and left reviews, tag me in your pictures and things like that, thank you guys so much. It really drives me. Starting a business, you don't know who's gonna buy your stuff, if people's gonna like it. You may like it, you might put all of your hard work in it, but you really don't know, you know, what the outcome is gonna be or what the feedback is gonna be. And you know, all of those things, like, they really help me improve myself. Next to the finance, you see execute, and that pretty much means, you know, whatever it is that I have written down, that I'm going to execute it. Lastly, another word that's on here is relax. I am just a big fan of relax, which is one of the reasons why I also created a MarthaLorine Organics brand. You know, is based on, you know, healthy beauty plus natural wellness. I'm really big on wellness, and you can have all of these things written on your board, but if you do not take care of your mental, you are not going to be able to execute these things properly. Take care of yourself. And that's pretty much what the word relax represents on my vision board. Is to remember to always take care of myself. Remember to always take it back a notch. To always remind myself that it's okay to relax. It's okay to rest. You know, just reminding myself, take a deep breath. You know, having my self-care Sunday at MarthaLorine Organics, we have self-care Sundays, and pretty much what we do on those days is whatever it is that self-care means to you. For me personally, on my self-care days, I like to take a bath, get a glass of wine. I light my relax candle from the MarthaLorine Organics relax set. I light my relax candle. I get a book and I sit in my tub. You may not be able to do that every day, but just being able to take a time of your day to dedicate it towards self-care, towards relaxing. All right, guys, one of the biggest thing on here, one of my biggest goals or vision for this year is to grow my YouTube channel. See on here, I have the Miss Yancy Network with 7,777 subscribers. 7 obviously is my favorite number. It's the number of completion. I would love to, you know, accomplish that by the end of the year. This is a pretty big goal for me because originally, honestly, I wrote down I think I wrote down like 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers, and you know, that was like my goal for the end of the year because I know how my impact would be, you know, on YouTube. So I set like a really low goal, you know, hoping to achieve it. But like I said, go big or what, go home. So therefore 7,777 is mine. It's my year, it's my completion number, and it is a number that I am hoping that I can achieve, and you guys can help me achieve that by clicking the subscribe button on my channel, liking this video, sharing it, commenting below, telling me, giving me ideas of what you guys want to come from this channel, giving me feedback about how you feel about my videos. Yeah, so that is my YouTube goal, is really to, you know, achieve that number. If you are ready to take 2020 back into your hands and you enjoy this video and you want to create your own, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video so other people can find it, because what, 2020 tried it. Okay, all right guys, thank you guys for watching.
Ay,